now listening to A-Rod Music.
Arms.
L's. Feeling froggy, catch the hand, meet my kung fu hustle. Feeling froggy, catch the hand, meet my kung fu hustle. Feeling froggy, catch the hand, feeling froggy, catch the hand, feeling froggy, catch the hand, meet my kung fu hustle.
Straight guard to the horse, so I'm a sore wanting more, want a war, hate swine, so I stomp the balls, quick to point like Dumbledore, so I train my tool to say that I'm number 4, a couple shots to my knuckle sore. Thus, I asked the bartender for another pour. In the midst of a blunt, my soul is sore. My guardian angel, I'm trying not to hurt a jaw. Burp the hall, first of all, I have to go to work tomorrow. I'm the first to get work like C. Winslow. Shorty, check out me Tendo, then we can play B and go. Never can amount to lose, buy a pint of goose, then I'm drowning to see out on how I'm clowning fools. And I got that white out, and I'm not selling Mountain Dews. Finding subliminal messages like dog, the hell with you. Evacuation from desolation with no cause. Keep you wet with a lot of joy like soap suds. My powder tough to these Powerpuff girls. I'm him, telling blossom bubbles and buttercups. Just to get it with me, yo, put dents in the green. Or you had to take 5 like the vending machine. To test rocks, you best not. The early bird gets the worm, followed up with a neck chop. Not friendly Jimmy, twist fits, I'm a misfit. Quick hit on the prick list, cause he ain't think with his dipstick. So it's either switch past or get mad. I'll ever venture in my kingdom and I'll raise 6 flags. You stress me, I guess UFC, Anderson Silk to these new Jet Lees. Or Umbach with brass knuckles, I can't touch you, I will cut your upper biceps and calf muscles. Yo, check is how I start most of my raps, and I DDT records like a hardcore match. Feeling froggy, catch the hand, meet my kung fu hustle.